Okay. Grace eating lime for the very first time. That rhymes. Grandpa's giving it to her. That's not as bad as I expected.
No, I think she likes it.
Move the Tupperware from her, I can see.
Come over here, good person. No? No, she might.
Well, that was anticlimactic.
She make a face?
Barely.
Barely, she's like.
You're like your mama. Your mama could eat 10, 20 limes.
My dog, he thought he was digging it.
Anticlimactic.
I was horrified. You got the video.